What is a tape measure used for? Well, a generic tape measure, such as this one, is a handy tool for most trades. If we look inside, it has a retractable metal strip and a lock on the top, which stops that strip from going back inside. If we take a look at the measurements, we can see on the bottom, we have millimeters and centimeters, and on the top, we're measuring in inches. If we extend this tape measure out so that we can see the 400 and the 800 mil part, we can see the corresponding side in the inches, we have a 16 and a 32 that are in red. Now this indicates where studs should be in stud walls, the measurements between the two. We can also see on this tape measure, just past the 19-inch mark, we have a little black diamond. Now that's for measuring I-beams, or the beams that go across the back of houses when you've had an extension built, the big metallic beams that go across there. The other thing that we have on this tape measure is a metallic magnetic strip. So that's used for, or handy for, when we're measuring away from a metallic object. This fuse board, metal fuse board, we want to measure to roughly the center of this, which is about this line. You can see I don't need both hands to do this. I can just hold the tape measure on and I can see the mark perfectly there. Another handy hint, or a handy tip, should I say, from the years of working on site, is that if ever we want to measure to something that's above our heads that we can't quite use a wall or an object for, if we extend our tape measure out further than we would do usually, we can hold it vertically and offer it up to the part there. And you can see we can measure either to the bottom or to the top of that bit. So that's really all there is to know about tape measures.